So it says here, for any integer n, define star n as n plus 1 times n minus 1 times n minus 2. What is the value of star n plus 1 minus star n minus 1? So basically what we're doing is see where n is and n plus 1 is. Basically for all the n's, we're going to be plugging in n plus 1. But for this equation, it might be a little complicated, right? So let's simplify this equation and then go accordingly to this equation. So let's take star n, which is equal again to n plus 1 times n minus n minus 1 times n minus 2. Okay, do distributive property here, n squared plus n, minus, okay, this is FOIL, remember? So n squared minus 2n minus n, which simplifies to minus 3n, right? And then plus 2. So then we simplify this even further because we see that n squared minus n squared will cancel out. So there we're left with n minus, right? Now we have n minus minus 3n. So that's n plus what? 3n. And then we have a minus plus 2. So that'll give us minus 2. So this whole expression is really equal to 4n minus 2. Remember, the n squares canceled out. That's why that's not in there. So now let's take this in terms of n plus 1 and n minus 1. And remember what we said. N plus 1. Just plug in where n is. So this will be 4 times n plus 1 minus 2. So 4n plus 4 minus 2, which is what? 4n plus 2. Now let's take the n minus 1 because we need that as well. So plug that in, n minus 1 minus 2. Okay, that becomes 4n minus 4 minus 2, which gives you 4n minus 6. Well, knowing all this, I want to subtract this from that. So let's do that. 4n, right, plus 2, subtracted by what? 4n minus 6. Okay, look, the 4n's will cancel out, 4n minus 4n. But then here we have 2 minus minus 6, which actually is what? 2 plus 6, which gives us our final answer of 8. Okay, so again, it's just what we did here is we took that equation, simplified it, and then plugged in accordingly. And look, we got an answer of 8.